Hello everyone, this is Lucia from Tube-ECO2 laser. Today, this video is about CO2 laser tube installation. So today's video is going to be divided into 4 parts. The first, position the laser tube correctly. The second, connect the chiller. The third, wire the positive and negative side. The last, test the beam. And if the beam works, all the installation is complete. Before installation, you need to prepare a compatible power supply that you have. Number 2, you need to prepare a screwdriver. And you also need to prepare a wire stripper. And last, 2 mounting brackets. Okay, let's go to the details. First, position the laser tube correctly. And you need to place the laser tube with this side with the lens protector face the first reflector of the machine. And leave 5 to 6 centimeters away from the reflector. Rotate the laser tube so the labels facing upward, so as the inlet of the water pipe and the outlet of the water pipe are on top. Then move the tube brackets to the suggested supporting point. It's about 1/4 and 3/4 of the glass tube length. I found that some bloggers say that just ignore the suggesting point, but we don't disagree because our tests show that ignore the supporting point will reduce the output power by about 5 to 30 wattage. Second, finish the water cooling system. Okay, that is just to connect the water chiller port to the CO2 laser tube port. Okay, just remember that the water inlet is always on the high pressure end because this is where the heat builds up very fast and very early. And the water outlet is on the low pressure end, which is output side. So you should match the water chiller's outlet to the CO2 laser tube's inlet and match the inlet of the chiller to the outlet of the CO2 laser tube. And if the water pipe is tight and difficult to put on, please, you can put some water on the tap and it will be very easy to put it on. Then set the water chiller with a constant temperature about 18 to 25 Celsius degrees. The red wire goes to the high voltage side. Twist the wire to the metal screw and tighten. Similarly, connect the return wire to the output side. And please note that our laser tubes have multiple screw holes on the metal heads for flexible wiring. And please choose the suitable position to connect. And keep the return wire perpendicular to the tube to avoid stressing the side. The third, test the beam. First, remove the protective film from the output lens. Then turn on the chiller to start water cooling. And please ensure that no air bubbles inside. If there are large bubbles, you can raise the output side like this. And also you can dial the water pipe on the output side. Press the test button and test the beam. If the beam works, then the laser tube installation is complete. This is today's installation tutorial. Okay, if you have something you don't understand or if you some other things that you want to see, you can totally leave a message at the bottom of the comment area. And next time we will follow up with the optical alignment after installation. Okay, so if you're interested, please follow our channel. Bye bye.